These eligible voters in either local government area of Kogi State came out as early as 8 o'clock Saturday morning to cast their vote for the governorship candidate of their choice. The enthusiasm in them showed their readiness to elect a governor that will pilot the affairs of the state for the next 4 years.
Here particular is Ukwaja in Ida town, and the election is going on smoothly in most of the polling units visited by AIT.
The people said the election has been relatively peaceful when compared with that of 2019.
Now, in the past, you see crowd people fighting up and down, go and call soldier, go and call police. But in either here, we are very civilized and we are doing it correctly.
The security agencies are helping us and they are telling us in the language you understand that our votes will count.
Today is a historic moment. In terms of security for election, I will give Mr. President the kudos that he stood by his promise that is going to create a free and fair environment for us to vote.
The people also commended the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for the job well.
The election of today is a historical election in the sense that it is a day that we are fighting for the freedom of the people out of abject poverty. Not through violence of carrying gun, but essentially a franchise on the ballot.
Everything about INEC arrangement is perfect. But there are men in Okehi, Adavi, and Okehi. They have compromised. They should question the returning officers in these 3 local governments that I've mentioned. Apart from that, every other arrangement from INEC is 100%.
3, 4. The voting has ended and the counting in
most
polling units has also ended.
The people said they were determined to stay behind to monitor the whole process to the very end. Has Akodi, AIT News, Ida, Kogi State, North Central Nigeria.